Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our circles of spring earrings. These earrings are made using Nunn Design components with seed beads and fire polish beads in a fun color combination that's perfect for spring. We have tons of different colors available in our seed beads and fire polish beads, so you could make these earrings in tons of different colorways. To make these earrings, you're going to need size 15 Duracoat Opaque dyed Tickle Me Pink seed beads, size 11 matte mustard yellow seed beads, 2mm Alabaster Pastel White True 2 round fire polished beads, size 8 Duracoat Opaque dyed medium Orchid seed beads, 3mm Persian Turquoise fire polished beads, 4mm saturated Chartreuse fire polished beads, and then 2 brass large hoop wire frames by Nunn Design in 38mm, your base metal French ear wires, your tarnish resistant silver 26 gauge round artistic wire, chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. You can find all of these product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. To make these circles of spring earrings, you first want to take your component and then cut a 1 foot length of your wire. And you're just going to want to anchor this wire to your component to make this first row here of 4mm fire polish beads. So to do that, leave about 1 inch of a tail and then place your wire over the component. And then you're just going to go through the component and then back around and just do that twice to anchor that wire. And then you can just use your fingernails. Oops. The wire's a little far apart, just so they're nice and close to each other. Okay, and that's going to anchor your wire onto your component. So then you want to string 1 4mm fire polish bead, and you want that wire about 1 inch down from the component, the top of it. Okay, so then once you have that in place, you're just going to want to go through that component again with that bead resting on the inside of the component, and then you're just going to wrap the wire around once to anchor that. And then just bring it right back up. Just going to repeat that. String your fire polish bead, lay it on the inside of the component, bring it through the component, bring that wire through, down, back around, 1 full wrap, and then just bring it up. You make sure all the wire wraps are sitting next to each other and none are overlapping. Okay, let's do it again. 1 full wrap around. Bring it back up. We just want to do that 5 more times. Okay. 3 more. Okay, and then when you get to your 8th bead, you just want to wrap around twice. So 1 full one, and then 2 full ones. Then take your wire cutters, just cut tails on both ends. Okay, and there you have your first row of 8 fire polish beads. Okay, so now we want to do our second row of our 3mm fire polish beads. And for that you want to cut about a 3-inch length of wire. Do the same thing, about an inch tail. You just want to wrap twice around to anchor it. Then just if need be, kind of use your fingernail to make sure each wrap is just kind of lying next to each other, nice and close. Okay, so now you just want to string 9 of these 3mm fire polish beads. Okay, so once you have 9, you're just going to go straight across to the other side of the component, right above those 4mm beads. You're just going to go over and then through the component, and you're just going to wrap that twice around. And just make sure it's nice and snug up against the wire wraps from that first row. Okay, and then you just want to cut the tails on both sides. Okay, and there you have your second row. So I'm going to go ahead and just repeat what I did here with this row. I'm going to do 14 of the size 8 seed beads, and then 14 row of the 2mm white fire polish beads, and then 18 of the yellow size 11 seed beads, and then 20 of those size 15 pink seed beads. So I'm going to go ahead and do those real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that you have all the beads anchored to the component, you just have to attach the ear wire. So to do that, you just want to take your chain nose pliers and open up your loop, and then attach that to the top loop of this component, and then chain nose pliers, and just close that loop back up. Okay, and there you have one earring, and then you just want to repeat that for the other one. And now you have a super cute pair of earrings, perfect for spring. You can find all of the tools and materials for these Circle of Spring earrings at fusionbeads.com.